Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about the best Wayflyer deal for first-time users. When I first looked into Wayflyer for my e-commerce business, I quickly realized there isn't a single fixed best deal or a standard promo code for a first-time user discount. My own experience taught me that Wayflyer's model is personalized, and that's actually the key to getting your best deal. Here's the breakdown of what a first-time user should focus on. The offer is tailored to your business data. Wayflyer is not a bank. It's a data-driven financing platform. For a first-timer, the deal is entirely dependent on your monthly sales revenue and the health of your core metrics, like your ad performance and customer acquisition costs. They don't offer a generic 10% off. They offer funding based on what their algorithm determines you can handle and grow with. I had to securely connect my sales and ad platforms, things like Shopify, Facebook ads, and so on. This step, which took about 10 minutes, was the most critical part of getting a good offer. The better your data looks, the better the funding amount and the fixed fee they present to you. They use this data to give you an offer that is a multiple of your monthly revenue, typically ranging from a few thousand up to a lot more as you grow. Focus on the fixed fee, not a discount. Unlike traditional loans with interest, Wayflyer uses a one-time fixed fee on the advance amount. For a first-time user, this fixed fee is what you need to pay attention to. It's usually a percentage of the total amount you receive, and it's calculated transparently up front. When I got my first offer, I compared the final fixed fee to other options. What makes it a good deal is the speed of getting the capital, often within 24 hours, and the flexibility of the repayment. They don't take collateral or a personal guarantee, which for a growing business is a massive de-risker. Look for the most competitive fee for your business size. The deal is in the repayment structure. The best part of the Wayflyer structure, especially for new users, is the repayment. You can often choose between a fixed daily amount or a percentage of your daily sales, which is a revenue-based remittance. For my first advance, I chose a percentage of sales option. This was a huge benefit because it meant on slower sales days, my repayment was smaller. It tied my financial obligation directly to my cash flow, which is a fantastic deal for a business navigating growth and seasonality. It's far more manageable than a fixed bank payment. In summary, the best Wayflyer deal for a first-time user is not a coupon code. It is an offer that is uniquely optimized for your business's current performance, often featuring a competitive fixed fee and a flexible, sales-aligned repayment plan. You get your best deal by having your financials in order and letting their platform make an offer that truly helps you scale. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.